Hi friends, now we have Dell G315 series laptop. In the laptop need to be upgrade from a 8 GB to 16 GB RAM. Because of this, you need to remove the panel. I will show you how to remove the panel and what are the components will be there inside. I will show you. The laptop exact model is Dell G33579 laptop. Okay, now we are going to remove the back panel. For this, you need to remove all the screws one by one. After this, smoothly remove the panel. Okay. This is the battery. The model is type 33YDH. This is the Wi-Fi card, and this is the NVMe hard disk. This is the HDD battery. This is the battery connector and display connector. Okay, and these two are the speakers. Okay, thank you.